beautiful ng lugar,
Because
no?
I don't think they ever did that for others.
Oh, ganda.
This is strict membership.
Sobrang ganda.
Mhm.
Oh. And you perform here sa ano?
Doon, yung binuksan kong door, that's the bar. They wanted to promote the bar.
Narito po tayo ngayon sa Manila House, kung saan makakausap po natin ang isang icon ng Philippine movie industry at ng OPM, si Mitch Valdez. Pero bago yan, subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel at sa Christine Babos channel.
Manal na aso, santong kabayo, natatawa ako. Ho, 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 holy night. Galing! Ang galing! It is the night of our dear Savior's birth.
Swerte natin, kasama natin ang OPM icon at syempre, kilala na aktres, sikat na aktres, wala iba kundi si Mitch Valdez.
Hotter.
Hi there, Mitch. How are you?
As promised, I would come back.
Ganda naman itong lugar natin.
Oo nga, hindi ko to bahay.
Oh.
Nakikigamit lang po ako dito sa Manila House. Thank you, Manila House.
Oh, so how are you? What's keeping you busy?
What's keeping me busy is, number one, career, of course. We are a working artist. We have no one to take care of us. So we will work until we cannot work anymore. So I'm doing concerts, mga kaibigan, and I'm resting from teleseries and movies for a while because concerts are time-consuming and So I have a show with Fede Los Reyes in Teatrino called Sex and the Seniors.
Oh my gosh! Ano yan? Sex and the Seniors?
Seniors still have sex to your surprise.
Na-intriga naman ako doon. Paano nyo tatalakayin yun? Napaka-sensitive na, no, na topic.
Oo, parang sexual education ng mga matatanda. Hindi. Biro lang. Actually, ang malingang akala is when you mention the word sex, it's only the physical act.
Yeah.
But actually, it's your whole demeanor, aura, philosophy in life. Yan yung mga ikaka-sexy mo. Yun, yung mga gano'n.
Ayun.
And that's July 26 at Teatrino. Thank you.
It's gonna be a fun,
Oo naman.
fun show, no?
With songs. The AMP band, it's a big band. Yes.
Okay. Kilala ka ng mga viewers natin. I'm sure yung mga nasa abroad ngayon na nanonood, oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's Maya.
Si Maya! Si Maya Valdez!
Ay, nako, Julia.
From Maya to Mitch.
Yeah.
Oo, no?
Nung nag-umpisa ako sa TV, sabi nila, 1970 yun sabi nila, yung mga foreigners, noon hindi uso yung mga yung mga foreigners, mga pag nag-Jewish English ka. Ngayon, impressed ang mga tao, di ba? Pero noon, hindi. Tingnan mo yung lahat ng mga bandido noon, tisoy. Mga villains, tisoy. Walang So anyway, sabi nila, I was Mitch Valdez, I started out guesting, and then management said, your name, mahihirapan ka sumikat. So binigyan nila ako, choose a more local Tagalog sounding name. We had lots of names. Virgie Valdez, just call me Vivi for short. Yung mga gano'n. Hindi ko yata gusto. Maya Valdez, sabi ko, hindi ba Ibon yun? And then they said, no, you can consider it na Aztec princess. So sabi ko, sige, gusto ko yun.
Ayan.
Ginawa ako Maya Valdez.
Ayun na.
But I am such an individualist. Inis na inis ako sa going out and not using my name. Diba? Kasi bigla kang naging famous and popular, hindi ikaw yun. Si Maya ka, you know? Pero anyway, in the 70s, I was doing all television work, sitcoms, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi nila, pag comedian ka, hindi ka pwedeng maging singer. Biro mo yun.
So nag-start ka muna artista? Bago naging singer.
Sa Super Laugh-Ins ako, no, but I was singing already in the bands.
Okay. Oo.
And in musical theater, nagsi-CCP na ako and everything.
But on TV,
On TV, wala.
Artista.
Neophyte. So,
Oo.
comedian ako doon sa Super Laugh-Ins. Yung
Naalala
gag
ko
show,
yun.
1970.
oo, naalala ko yung Super Laugh.
So, yun yun.
Oo.
Tapos, sabi nila, Maya Valdez. Ayan. So, naging
Oo.
Maya Valdez na ako.
Karma, 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 chameleon. You're going strong. You're going strong. Loving would be easy if your colors would lie. Red gold. Handa mo na gamit mo.
Hindi, handa na nga, oh. Kasi, ano sa palagay mo, miss?
Uy!
Ilang minutes na.
Uy, ayan na yung Statue of Liberty, oh.
At di malapit na siguro. Landing.
Handa ka na?
Handa ako ito.
New York!
Oo, sige.
Noong 1980, sabi ko, parang ayoko na mag-TV kasi TV is very structured at that time. You can only do this, you can only do that, yung ganyan-ganyan. So sabi ko, gusto ko bumalik doon sa musical roots ko. So I started doing small lounge acts and until yun, concert.
Pero lumalabas ka pa rin sa TV.
Lumalabas
Paminsan-minsan.
pa rin ako sa TV,
Not
of
as
course.
often.
Not as often.
Oo.
Pero, sabi ko, I cannot be real and true to, kasi comedy yung, iba na yung humor. Kailangan personal na. Sabi ko, I cannot be personal with the audience kung fake ang name ko. So, pinalitan ko,
Ayun
Back
na.
to Mitch.
Back to Mitch na.
Back to Mitch.
In the 80s yan, ha?
81 to be exact.
1981.
Oo, 80. Hindi, 82. Kasi yung Oro Plata Mata, 82. Maya Valdez pa yung pangalan ko doon.
Naiya ka pa doon sa Oro Plata.
Oo. So, yung ganun.
Naalala ko kasi nung... Sensya na, kwento
Nung
ko.
bata ka pa.
Alam mo na.
Sanay na ako dyan.
Nasa ano kami, supermarket yata kami noon o nasa
Oo,
mall, no? Toy store, no? O ito yung kuya ko eh, kinikwento
Oo,
sa akin. Tinawag ko raw siya, uy, si Maya Valdez, ang late ko pa noon.
Oo.
Yun.
O, look at you now.
Reunion natin to. Reunion natin. Oh my gosh, no? Grabe. O, teka, bago
Yun,
natin pag-usapan
please,
pa.
Yun na po ang dahilan, ha? Kung bakit ko ako nagbagong pangalan. Hanggang ngayon,
Maya
pinag-uusapan
Valdez.
yan.
Oo, totoo. Pero imagine, di makalimutan ng mga tao yan. Pag Maya Valdez, I mean,
Oo.
it's in our
Ang
memory.
Sinasabi ko sa kanila,
Nakastore siya dyan.
pag sinabi mong Maya Valdez, matanda ka na.
Hindi naman halata.
yung mga bata, they call me Mitch.
Ibang generation na, ano?
Oo, iba na
Yung
generation
kinabibilangan natin,
Uy,
no?
Maya, ay, matanda na yun. Yes!
Anyway, backtrack tayo. Gusto ko malaman pa yung nung kabataan mo. Nabanggit mo na rin yung mga kabataan, yung mga bata ngayon. Pero si Mitch, paano siya nung bata siya? Saan ka pa lumaki?
Lumaki ako sa Tokyo, Japan.
Ha?
And I was very shy. And I'm an introvert.
Ba't ka napunta ron?
Tatay ko po ay isang singer na gwapo.
Na ang pangalan ay
Manolo Valdez.
Manolo
Maraming may
Valdez.
kilala niyan kasi sinasabi nung mga nanay nila na crush nila itong si Manolo Valdez.
Uy, heartthrob si Manolo.
Oo, balladeer. Yan.
Okay.
So, my whole grade school, doon ako sa Tokyo, Japan.
Oo.
Meron akong Japanese yaya.
Wow.
Nag-aral ako sa mga international school doon.
Mhm.
And yun ang aking training. Tapos, doon, small community, international din lahat ng mga kaklase mo. Kasi you cannot go to a Japanese school. So, lahat ng mga anak ng mga embassy, kung ano-ano, yun ang mga kaklase mo. So, meron kang Greek, French,
Wow.
Indonesian, British, lahat yun may barkada kami. We would eat in each house. So doon ako natuto nung grade 5 na uminom ng wine.
At grade 5, ha?
Oo, kasi yun ang
Aga.
sino-serve sa French.
Ooh.
Pero linalagyan lang nila ng tubig, dinadilute. But they have wine.
Tinetrain na yung mga bata na uminom.
Oo. Di ba? Ang ganda. Sana French ako.
Imagine ko na. Parang dating mo, parang elite. Di ba?
Oo,
Elite
di ba?
ka eh, no?
Oo, di ba? May Egyptian
Yayamanin.
din ako. Oo.
No.
Eh, hindi naman kami mayaman. Singer at tatay.
Pero bakit ganun?
Pero ano, di ba? Feeling.
Ganun ang dating eh. Oo. Pero,
Sanay ako sa mga mayayaman.
so sa school,
Sa school.
balita ko may pagkaano ka, naughty ka.
Dito lang yun nangyari.
Dito na ba yun?
Oo, kasi sa Japan, the discipline and my shyness nandun ako,
Nakontrol ka?
denumero. Oo, denumero. Hindi, pati sa bahay. Yung tatay ko ang comedian, ako hindi. Yun talagang ano. Pero pagdating sa Pilipinas kasi, wala akong barkada. Sa recess, di mo alam kung saan ka pupunta.
Oo.
Sinong group, mag-isa akong kumakain. So, pagbalik ko sa class, pag may teacher na medyo meron sablay na sinabi, gagayahin ko. Tapos, pag may teacher na, basta ano, lagi yung teachers ang ginagawin kong subject ng ano, ng
pinagtitripan
cue.
mo.
Pinagtitripan ko. So, lagi rin ako nasa principal's office. Pero doon ako nakadiscover ng career. Kasi, when you make your friends and classmates laugh, ito ang tip, they will like you, and I was in demand sa recess.
Friend to all. Kasi ikaw
Diba?
yung life of the
Hi,
party.
Mitch! Join us here!
Masaya eh.
And here we have pandesal with kasi
lagi may libre.
wala akong baon. So eto, may chichirya dito. Dito muna ako.
So kinukuha ka rin laging host sa school kasi nga magaling ka magpatawa.
Yes, sa mga plays, sa mga MC-MC.
Popular
yung mga,
ka sa school.
Popular na ako. Kasi galing ko mag-English.
Oo nga. Yung daga, saan nangyari yun? Nagtatanim ka ng mga daga sa damit ng yaya mo. Saan yun?
I had pasensya na po sa malangit na yung kanyang kaluluwa. Yung nung nasa Japan kami, meron po akong Japanese yaya.
Okay.
Talagang mga in her 60s, yung talagang grandmother na.
Hindi marunong mag-English.
Wala. You had to learn Japanese because lahat ng TV shows Japanese.
Okay.
Wala ni isang English. Anyway, may iuuwi kang pets every weekend. Kasi ano yun, walang magpapakain sa kanila, walang ano. So meron mga parakeet, meron mga white mice, may gana. Yung parakeet, okay lang. Yung white mice, pag ako ang toka, inuuwi ko yun. Pagkatapos kukunin ko yung maliit na white, pagkatapos ilalagay ko sa kimono ng aking
Oh no.
old yaya. And then just,
Kawawa naman. Grabe ka.
di syempre, linabas ng nanay ko yung feather duster. Huwata! Huwata!
Uy.
Sabi niya, kung mamatay yan, o ano, ma-heart attack yan. Hindi ko alam ganun pala kagrabe yung ginawa ko. So, I never forgot. Alam mo, pag pinalo ka ng feather duster, behave ka.
Siyempre. Sakit eh.
Mangingisay ka.
Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
Dalawa lang.
Paano kayo nandun sa Japan?
Yes, thank God.
How many years ka nag-stay ng Japan? From what age to what age?
I was there since I was about 2 or 3. Bumalik kami dito just for prep and grade 1. Tapos bumalik ulit ako doon hanggang I graduated elementary.
So marunong ka magsalita ng Hapon?
Oo. Hi.
Paano?
Wala na akong alam. Nakalimutan ko na. Hanggang order na lang ako.
So if you go to Japan now, you can
Give me 3 days.
3 days. Kaya.
Absorb. Because it's your second language. English was my first language. Japanese was my second language. Dito lang ako natuto ng Tagalog first year high school. Alam mo yung mga madre, linagay ako sa grade 1 tuwing Filipino class. Nagumpisa ako na si Ruben at si Belen, si Muning at si
paano yun?
Kuting. Yung gano'n, nakaupo ako doon. After 1 year, binalik na ako sa high school. Pagkatapos, write me report in Filipino. Yan, news. So bumili ako ng tabloid. Tapos, Miss Valdez, ginahasa ang isang babae. Natagpo ang patay. Principal's office.
Grabe. Paano nga pala kayo napunta ng Pilipinas? Bakit? From Japan to the Philippines.
My dad was traveling around so much, parang hindi nakayanan ni Mother na mag-isa siya doon because she felt so out of place because she still had war memories. So nahihirapan siya mag-adjust ng konti because she experienced the war. Actually, my dad also experienced the war. Kami, walang pakialam. Also, what was this? Ayun na nga, my dad was going around and then they told me that I think I need to take our daughter back to the Philippines because she is becoming too Americanized and liberated and gusto niya yung strict convent school.
Kasi doon,
Liberated. My dad was a singer. I would go with him backstage. Men and women were running around naked.
backstage.
Yes, backstage because the costume change, ganyan-ganyan.
Walang pakialam.
Walang pakialam. So ako naman talagang hubad, okay lang. And then 1 block from my house was the public bath. And they're all also nude. So I would go to the public baths and, Kirene, so this, nakukyutan lahat sa akin. So glass doors, yung gano'n. So I'm thankful for that kind of input because when I got back to the Philippines, nasyak ako sa pagkamalisyoso about the naked body. Di ba now, at that time, yung talagang, if you see a naked body, lahat, di ba? Di ba? So, mga Pinoy. Even until now, I'm so shocked na they have malice regarding the naked body when it's so available on their phones. You know?
So yun na, bumalik ka na ng Pilipinas.
Bumalik na, nag-high school na ako.
Si daddy na iwan doon.
Si daddy na iwan na until they separated. Wala na ano na So, ayun na.
Ano nag-e-effect sa'yo nun, yung separation?
Nawasak ako. Nawasak ako.
In what way?
Si father kasi was the barkada, the friend. Si mother was the disciplinarian. So, hindi ba, you prefer your father figure and your friend. So, ayun, until you get used to it.
Bumibisita pa rin siya paminsan-minsan sa'yo?
I never saw him again.
Oh my gosh!
My mother refused. Sa galit niya, ayaw sabihin ni mother kung nasaan kami, anong address, ganito, ganyan.
Never saw him
Again, until he reached out in the 90s because he thought he was dying of cancer. And he went into remission. So, buti na lang, he just reached out and came here and he invited us to visit him, yung ganyan-ganyan. So, I made friends with the second family, with the, things like that.
Kamusta yung first meeting nyo?
I fell apart. Yung akala ko, stoic. Oo. Kita ko tatag.
Pero itsura niya matanda na, siyempre, di ba?
Matanda na. He came with his wife. He came with the 4 boys. Imagine they all lived in my condo. And then my relatives said, why are you accommodating the wife and the children? Kabarbaridad! Ka-uror! Sabi ko, what am I gonna do? Turn them away? He's old. So, ayun.
Yung nanay mo?
She was no longer alive at that time. Yeah. It was my brother's wedding. So I had my father, his wife, 4 Australians, past 6-footers.
Ang wife ni Australia.
Yes. Dancer niya. Buena pamilya na naging backup dancer niya. 2 years older than me.
So nagka-affair sila kaya nagkaway si mama at dad?
Hindi. Si mama super jealous lang talaga
Selosa lang talaga.
Oo, yung ganyan-ganyan.
So after that, na-continue nyo na yung
Yes.
communication with your
Yes,
dad?
I used to go to Sydney for every Christmas.
That's nice.
Di ba happy ending?
Oo, ganda naman.
But you have to make a decision to forgive.
True. Mahirap din yun eh.
To hold it, yung ganyan-ganyan.
Pero it feels better pag
Oo naman,
nailabas
I
mo
would
na
have
lahat.
missed his last 20 years. He lived until 90 plus.
Galing. Ayun, so let's go back to to showbiz.
Oo, napakabagbag damdamin.
Showbiz naman tayo. Paano ka napasok sa showbiz?
Siyempre, nag-MC na sa school kasi nga Wersh. Pagkatapos, I would write plays so that I could direct and star in it.
May motibo eh, no?
May motibo ako. And then, afterwards, barely passed high school. They gave me pasang-awa, 74.5 or 4.9. Yung mga ganyan. Anyway, first year college, I discovered theater. De La Salle College. And then that's where I met Peke Galiaga and Leo Martinez, the drama professor. I was so babad there. I forgot my schooling. I would just attend classes, ganyan. And then I flunked accounting 3 times.
Ayos.
Ayos, talagang binigyan ako ng remedial, binagsak ko, binigyan na pang isa pang remedial, binagsak ko ulit.
Pero tinan mo naman, di
Oo.
ba?
Tapos sabi, I'm sorry, we cannot keep you any longer. We gave you all the chance. And then Peke said, they're auditioning in Super Laugh-Ins. Do you want to try?
Okay.
And then I said, okay. So I went and I got accepted.
Sino mga naging kasama mo ron?
Yung unang batch, yung pangalawa, Ramon Zamora, Nova Villa,
Naalala
Balut,
ko yan.
Tange.
Oo. Balut at tange.
Yes.
Nakatrabaho mo.
Yes. At pag nag-guesting ako, mga ka-excel ako, sina Apeng Daldal,
Oh my
Popoy Dakoy-Koy,
Oh.
Pugo,
Si Pugo,
yes,
nakasama mo rin.
Magnano. Brilliant.
How is Pugo like kapag hindi na siya lumalabas sa screen?
Napakatahimik. Alam mo, totoo yung sinasabi nila, yung mga comedians, napakatahimik.
Yeah.
Even sina Dolphy, yung ganun-ganun. Tapos biglang pag ginanon mo.
Nagbabago?
And the wit, yung bilis ng utak nila talaga that came from vaudeville, I presume, no? So that's where I got the comedic timing, yung mga kung ano-ano. I had the masters. Yung writer, Ading Fernando, the master.
Of course, no? Icon yan, si Ading.
Icon,
Galing
Ading
yan.
Fernando.
Oo.
And then all of them, and then you have the Daily Show, Tony Santos Presents, you had Silvia La Torre, who became a very good friend. And all these people you just watch, and then when you're in a scene with them, you have no choice but to follow and keep up because Silvia La Torre, my gosh. Di ba? My gosh.
Chichay,
Chichay.
nakatrabaho mo rin.
Yes. Mga hindi kilala ng mga bata ngayon.
Oo, pero di ba naman, alam ng mga ibang viewers natin na kasabayan natin.
Oh, and I was the pipsqueak. I was 19, 20 years old. Yung mga
So name it, you've worked with them.
yes,
No?
bumabaluktot pa ako sa Tagalog. Yung mga
Apeng Daldal,
Yes.
Bentot.
Bentot. Yes.
Si Pachi, nakatrabaho mo rin.
Of course.
Grabe. What an experience, no?
My life, you only realize it on hindsight, but how blessed and full
You are blessed.
with all the people who lifted you up.
Oo. And I'm sure yung iba, proud din na nakatrabaho ka nila. Especially yung mga younger.
The young ones ngayon is
Generation,
considers me the
Icon ka na rin
patsy.
Ikaw yung icon eh.
Oo.
Parang ganyan lang yan, cycle lang yan eh.
Yes.
But sadly, you weren't able to save mga photos with them, yung mga videos.
Hindi ako kolektor. You ask
sayang
me, ba't
eh, no?
wala kang mga litrato?
Oo.
Yung mga gano'n. Kasi sa akin, siguro lang to, self-preservation. Pag tapos na. I don't like looking at pag malungkot, pag di ba meron pang titingin sa yung mga iiyakan pa yung mga video.
Si Tintin ganyan. Sentimental.
Anyway, a lot of the managers kept it for me, ganyan. And now it's all over YouTube, I presume, yung mga gano'n.
Ano mga hindi mo makakalimutan na experience mo sa showbiz? Yung talaga nagmarka sa'yo.
Martial law.
Ayun, yun. Bakit? Ano nangyari nun?
Nagte-taping ako sa ABS-CBN, alas 2 ng umaga, nasa dressing room ako. Iniintay ko yung cue ko. Sana trying to make iglip, biglang bag. Pagbukas ko, may mga naka-combat fatigue na may mga long guns and everything. Umuwi na kayo, martial law na. Ano po? Pwede ba humagpa? Kasi we used to have lockers. So all your makeup was there, all your costumes were there, and everything like that. And uwi na. And then you go home, you turn on the radio, walang programming, dead air. In the morning, you try to turn on the television for news, dead air. So you don't know what's happening. That was for me,
Scary time ng mga panahon na yun.
grabe. Tapos ang pinaka naiinis ako, nung nagbukas na ulit ang ABS-CBN under KBS, Broadcast City. yung mga labor force nila, yung mga janitor, suot yung aking imported t-shirt.
Sila na may suot.
Nakuha sa mga locker.
Mga nakatago. Wala na. Iba na nangyari. Pero nakabalik ka pa rin after nun.
KBS na.
KBS
yeah,
na.
Under
Oo.
new management na the
Under new
Benedictos na. Yung ganyan.
yeah.
And yun yung bagong lipunan.
Oo.
Kaya pag naririnig ko yun, medyo masakit sa batok.
Anong kwento ng Oro Plata Mata? Paano ka napunta doon?
Anong kwento ng Oro Plata Mata? Peke was a very good barkada friend. Still parang mentor. And he said, I submitted the script to the experimental cinema. And I have a role for you, a very liberated doktora. Okay. You might do upper body nude scene. You might have to bare your breasts. And this was late 70s. I said, And then he said, yeah, but the waterfall will cover it. Yung tubig, gaganon, ano. So, make a long story short, I was doing shows in Morocco. There was this troupe of Imelda Marcos who would send a troupe to Morocco every year for the birthday of the king. Oh, diba? So, nandun kami lahat, mga Ryan Cayabyab Orchestra, all the bagong anyo models and everything. And he said, oh, you come home na because we need to shoot
Oro Plata.
Oro Plata Mata. Yun. So, sabi niya, don't worry, it will just be for the festival. It will be select. Yung mga audience, ganyan-ganyan. Okay. And then binili ng Regal Film.
Okay.
So nagkalat na.
Dami na, oh.
Tapos binili ng ABS-CBN.
Oo.
So lalo nang nagkalat. Anyway, yung topless na yon, hindi pala natakpan ng tubig.
Nakita.
Nung binili ng Regal, yung mga nude topless ko, lumabas na sa mga, yung nagtitinda ng sigarilyo sa...
Pirated.
Oo, sa
DVD?
sa mga, hindi pa DVD, wala pa noon. Yung mga litrato ng mga bomba stars doon sa sigarilyo, yung wooden,
Oo, nandoon.
andun. Sabi ko, I made it! Ayun. So, nung lumabas na sa cable, sabi ko, okay.
Wala na, okay
Tapos
na.
Yeah,
Oo.
it's done. But, it's something as an actress that you can be proud of. Again, it's the Filipinos who were very malicious about it.
Ikaw naman, wala ka ng qualms sa ganyan, di ba?
Oo, because I grew up in Japan.
Yes, liberated.
And in the 70s, it was the braless look.
Yeah.
Remember? Yung mga ganon. So, I was quite, but it gave me pause when it became, how do you call this? It became public property. Regal Films pa ba naman?
Oo, di ba? Kalat na kalat yan.
Kalat na kalat.
Nakagawa ka pa rin ng mga ibang movies na similar, na ganyan?
Wala na.
Wala na serious?
Which is the problem kasi, the minute you do that, I got calls. Pwede ba ka lumabas dito? Anong story? Eto yung
ST.
yung mga
Sexy.
ganyan. Sexy ka dito. Thank you po.
Ayaw mo na.
And then, professional photographers would ask me to post nude for them. Yung gano'n. And I kept, that was one movie, okay? Don't put me in that, I'm a comedian, I'm a singer, yung mga ganyan. I was more disappointed in the reaction of how people still box you. And I hate being boxed. You notice, I don't stick to one medium.
Oo. Parang gusto nilang i-exploit yung yung situation.
Ay, naguhubad yan. Tawagan nyo si Maya. Yung mga
So, na-offeran ka rin ng mga bold movies?
Excuse me.
Bold movies na-offeran?
Bold movies.
Oh my God. Kasi uso yan noon, di ba?
Oo, mga bomba. Mga tinalupan ng balat. ang mga title noon.
So, nag-concentrate ka na lang sa mga comedy.
Nag-concentrate ako sa lounge acts and singing.
Je tue de bon la 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 la, la 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 la, chante de la 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 la, la 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 la, je te mon poète, je m'en prends, oui, et voilà la vie en rose, c'est la vie
Viva Max na yan.
Oo.
Normal na.
Hindi ko pa napapanood ang Viva Max.
Baka operan ka. Ano
Wala
mararamdaman
na,
mo?
73 na po ako. Pati yung tubig po, hindi na kaya.
So, kailan ka bumalik ulit sa TV after yung mga lounge acts na yan?
Out of the blue, I kept turning down television. And then out of the blue, somebody says, gusto ka i-guest po ni Coco Martin sa Ang Probinsyano. Doon lang. So, sabi,
Anong role mo doon?
yun na nga sabi, ano ho kayo dito, corrupt po na barangay captain. Sabi ko, ay gusto ko yan.
Challenging!
I-imbibe ko yan.
Challenging, oo.
Oo, guess that's supposed to be for 3 episodes. Hindi, ginawa na akong regular.
Naging regular ka
It was
ron?
the audience reacted to it.
How long did you do that?
2 years.
Oh my gosh, ang tagal. Grabe, ang tagal.
Ang saya.
Pero before that, nagkaroon kayo ng show, hindi ko makalimutan, yung kayo ni Mr. Truman, di ba? Sa kasi Nanet Inventor.
90s yun.
Ano nga ba title doon?
Hindi, late 80s pa yun.
Oo, naalala ko
Urbana
kasi
and
nanonood kami
Felisa.
lagi noon. Oo.
That came from a comedy act also of Nanette and I used to do. It became so popular
Yeah.
that they decided to put it on television.
Oo. And how long did it last? Matagal
I have no idea. Mga 2 years siguro.
So, ibig ko sabihin, nung nagla-launch act ka, ganun katagal ang break mo from television
Yes.
until you did ang Probinsyano? That's it?
Yes. Yung Urbana and Felisa was my last long...
That was it.
But I used to have a portion with Vilma Santos. Yung live shows niya.
V, yung
yung
show niya.
So, nakasama pa ako sa US. Tuwan-tuwa ako. Kasi pag nagka-concert sila sa US, kasama ako. Ako yung comedy breaker. It's good to be able to sing and to do comedy. You will always be wanted. I don't go with the trend.
Hindi ka ba nahihirapan na mag-catch up? Siyempre, nababago rin yung comedy, di ba?
Medyo nahirapan na ako nung late 90s nung nag-umpisa yung comedy bar.
Yes, iba na eh.
Kasi yung kultura ng lalait ng audience, sa akin that's a no-no. But that was what the audience wanted. Dinudumog yan eh. Nasyak ako, I guessed in one comedy bar. Yung linalait sila, tawa
parang
sila
may
ng
point of
tawa.
parang
tumatawa
material.
sila.
Oo.
Yung nilalait, tumatawa. So, nasyak ako because nung 70s at 80s, di ba may mga roast, yung mga roasting?
Roast, yeah.
Ang pikon-pikon ng Filipino audience. So, hindi mo pwede silang i-roast, yung mga roast na comedy. Biglang nung 90s, nagbago, gustong-gusto nila yun.
Pero hindi mo na kaya yun. Kung ba ayaw mo nang gawin yun. Ayaw mo na pasukin, no?
I don't even go down to the audience because I don't want to put them in an uncomfortable position.
Anong pinaka-structure ng comedy mo, Bale? Pag ikaw nagpapatawa?
Pag ako nagpapatawa, some bombastic kind of music, that a song that the audience can relate to. I always have a live band. Yeah. Kasi gusto ko ipakita na just because comedian ka, hindi ka pwedeng kumanta ng bongga. And then I do situational anecdotes. I always base it on something that has already happened to me. Tapos kinikwento ko, linalagyan ko na lang ng punchline.
Pero minsan na-experience mo rin na hindi natatawa yung audience.
Hindi pa.
Never.
Hindi pa.
Even when you were starting out as a comedian?
When I was starting out, ang first lounge ako, 2 lang ang dumating.
Tatawa nga yun.
Doon natawa.
Mahihiyang hindi tumawa.
Ito si Makati Salcedo Village. Alam mo kung sino dumating?
Sino?
Gino Pareño and her partner, si Doc Eranya.
Okay.
So I told Girlie, my then manager, Girlie, can you just return them? I will feel so stupid. Sabi niya, you do this because if you back out of this, you will back out of everything. So nag-show ako, 2 lang sila.
2 lang?
Oo, awang-awa. Hiyang-hiya ako. Pagkatapos, lahat ng waiter nakapila. Di ba nakaganon sila?
Nanonood na lang sila sa'yo.
Oo. I almost quit.
Buti, what kept you going?
Yung sinabi nga na, just, if you let this defeat you, so the next time, gumanda na ng konti.
So medyo dumami na.
Medyo
yung mga
dumami na. Ewan ko kung naghakot si girlie.
Para di sumama loob mo. Pero ano tingin mong technique para magpatawa talaga ng tao? Ano yung dapat mong makuha sa kanila?
Puso. You have to understand human nature. And you have to understand, and usually your comedy material is something they've experienced already. So that when you make fun of it, relatable sa kanila. And then you make it ridiculous. So it's like, I have a sketch that until now still works na the first time I was in the States, yung choices. Sasabihin ng na, can I have a ham and egg sandwich? Totoong nangyari. What kind of ham do you want? Excuse me, what kind of ham do you want? Do you want Virginia ham or Canadian ham? How do you want it cooked? Do you want it braised? Do you want it glazed? You want Hawaiian sauce? Or do you want... ganyan. So, can I have na lang the eggs? What kind of eggs do you want?
Oh my
There's
gosh,
brown
meron pa rin.
eggs. Yung mga
Yung mga
ganon.
kulitan na gano'n, no?
Yung mga ganon. So, never mind the eggs. Can we just have beer? What kind of beer do you want? Can we have water?
Walang katapusan, no?
What kind of water do you want?
Oh my gosh.
Yung ganon, tawang-tawa
Never
sila.
fails to make people laugh. No?
Because they've experienced it na you're a simple Filipino in this complicated foreign land. Yung ganon.
So after ang probinsyano, ano nang pinagkaabalahan mo nun after nun?
I went back to concerts.
Yan na, tuloy-tuloy na.
Ang sarap kasi ng concerts. Nagtutour.
Yes.
Diba? I mean, you get paid to travel with free airfare and hotel and food. And then at night, you make people happy. Then you go home. And then you go to another country. And then you tour again. It gives you a different, I went to Greece. I went to Germany. I mean, and then you see the Filipino in that context. Na for me, the most incredible eye-opener, nasa Germany ako, 2,000 Filipinos ang nagsiserve mga puting German waiters. So sabi ko, wow, mind-blowing, they're serving the natives.
2,000, no?
2,000 ballroom, laki-laki. Tapos yung mga Pinay na mga, harder, yung mga ganyan. Tapos nag-German pa sila, na ganyan-ganyan. Tapos bigla akong nakita yung mga waiter talagang nagsisilbi doon sa
mga
native Pinoy.
What a statement, no? Galing.
I love it. For me, that was, yan eh. Eye-opener yan. So, pwede.
So, how's your love life now?
Ha?
Love life now?
What?
Meron ba? May love life pa si Mitch Valdez?
What? What's that? No, I made a decision a long time ago to live peacefully.
Okay.
You cannot live peacefully. I'm the type who cannot live peacefully when you are with somebody else in the same home. I like my...
So before there was somebody?
Marami, pero not serious, not commitment, no.
Never ka na engage sa isang lalaki? To the point of getting married?
I had no dreams. Really, honestly, it's so weird. I never dreamt of a wedding. I wanted children, but I didn't like out of wedlock. Yung mga ganon. So, yung mga ganon, it's something you make conscious decisions on.
Yeah.
Kasi uuwi ka galing sa taping, puyat na puyat ka, biglang ka sa, how was your day?
No?
Or hindi mo ma-explain yung So, I would rather just...
Yeah. So you're okay now? Hindi naman malungkot na walang kasama?
No.
Ganun. Okay ka? Happy
He's
ka?
the best.
Alright, that's nice. That's nice to hear.
I have many friends.
That's good, no?
I'm not the clingy relationship
Type of person.
type of person.
So, invite mo again yung mga viewers natin sa yung show. Sunod-sunod to mga show mo. So, yung una muna.
O sige, ito po by order of dates.
Dates, okay?
Sa July
Mark your dates.
26, July 26, of course, there's Chatrino, Mitch and Fe, Sex and the Seniors with the AMP band. That's Mel Villena. And then on September 13, we have the OPM Friends. This is a group, this OPM Friends, kung hindi nila napanood, na nung December, nangaroling itong group na to, di pa ako kasama. Kasi ang dami-daming mga kasama sa industriya nagkakasakit. Minsan namamatay dahil wala pong panggastos. Especially mga singers. So, we decided to fundraise. So, fundraise kami ng fundraise, naging successful. So, we decided to make it into a regular thing. So, kami po ay hindi kumikita dito. Ito po ay lahat ng funds ng tickets ninyo na pupunta sa isang pondo. So, ang dami na po namin natulungan. So, at saka enjoy kami dahil kainan, umaatikabong kainan. Yun na ang aming,
Yun ang masarap doon.
oo, yung potluck na
Yeah.
ganyan-ganyan. So, OPM Friends in the groove. Lahat ng 70s, 80s, 90s music.
Saya.
Ayun, andun po yun sa nakalimutan ko na po. Tignan nyo na lang po yung post.
Pakita natin yung poster sa kanila para yan, mark the date and the venue. Pero unahin nyo muna panoorin yung
Sex and the Seniors,
Sex and the Seniors.
if ever, na meron pa.
Message mo sa mga fans mo all over the world who are watching us right now.
Keep on coming. Do not forget us, even at a certain age, seniors. Kasi I think this is the point where we have really better performances than we were young because of the seasoning. Yan, hindi po seasoning na parang hindi po yun. We are very seasoned performers and we have so much to give. Thank you for allowing us, and I say this, for allowing people our age to still keep on performing.
And thank you, Mitch, for giving us beautiful memories.
Thank you too.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And good luck sa show. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Hello there, kinmates! Welcome to my channel, Christine Babos channel. For my hindi pala old, yung mga dati ng subscribers, hello, welcome back. For the first-timers, thank you for visiting my channel. And don't forget to, eto na Mitch, subscribe! Subscribe! Yeah!
Natututo na rin ako, ha?
Ting! Thank you so much po sa paglipat nyo mula sa napakagandang interview ni Papu kay the great, the icon, Mitch. Hindi ko sinabing Maya. Mitch Valdez.
The icon means you are old.
And you have a body of work to be proud
Oh,
of. Yun,
diba?
yun, body of work. Pero this time, sa aking vlog, alam nyo na, bag raid tayo.
Yay!
You know, Mitch, dito sa aking channel, yan yung gusto ng mga viewers ko naman. Maki-marites. Kung ano bang laman ng bag ni ganyan, ni ganyan, ni ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi nga, it's not just a bag. If you look at it, a bag tells so much about
The person.
the person,
Yes.
where she is, her life, and
Yes,
all. So,
yes.
eto na po ang bag ni Mitch, ni Ma'am Mitch. Hindi na Ma'am, Mitch na lang, okay
Oo,
lang, Mitch Valdez.
oo.
Yes.
Yan, sa kalakihan kong tao, ang bag ko ay napakaliit.
Julius and Tintin, para sa pamilyang Pilipino, would like to thank the following. Raja Travel Corporation, with you on your journey. David Salon, whoever you are, whatever you do, David Salon brings out the best in you.
Coco Life, believing in the Filipino.
Babyco Baby Wipes, and Frida Feminine Napkins.
Universal Robina Corporation.
The Kabalen Group of Restaurants.
Ideal Vision.
Revlon for my makeup.
Goldmine Rice.
Mono Quadratic made-to-order home and office furniture.
DeLonghi Coffee Machines.
Enagic from Japan, Kangen Water Machine. Email us for inquiries.
Health Cube Medical Clinics. Uratex.
Clean Echo.
Autofan, the heart of every home.
Cupid's Cologne, Love Mist, and Kiss Me Red sets. To order, email tonybbabaw@gmail.com.